Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes and welcome back to my channel. And so if you're catching this video, you want to know how can I cover the cost of my printer or my scanner for my notary business. And so you guys, before we get started, you know this channel is all about how to earn money, how to save money, how to save money, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so you're in your notary business, and I know it's trying to build your notary business, and there is a lot of startup costs. You know, you have, your commission that you have to apply for. You got to have your training, your exam, your study guides, your stamp, your notary supplies, all of that good stuff. And that includes a printer and a scanner for scan backs. And so I want to share with you how I covered my costs, my startup costs. And the very thing is, I sold things around the house, right? I sold things around the house that I did not need, I did not like, I did not use, and I surely couldn't fit. And so I sold items on app called Poshmark, right? And so I love Poshmark because sometimes I see things for the low and I can resell it for a profit. And so this is how I was able to buy my printer. I have a Brother, a Brother XL 8360. So it's a color laser printer. And also I have a scanner, Epson 400. And so this is the way I had come up with the cost. And so my printer was like 400, my printer was like 200. So say $600, right? So I began to, I've been selling on Poshmark since last year, this time. So far, let me go ahead and look at my app. So far, the listings I sold is almost $7,000, just the things that's in my closet, right? And it doesn't have to be name brand. It could be mall brand. But if you do have some high-end items in your closet that you no longer use, need, fit, or whatever, you can just invest back in your business. Go ahead and use that platform. If you started out and says, hey, I tried it, I didn't like it, I'm going to put the link in the comments, right? In the comments, and you can grab the webinar replay that I did on how to sell on Poshmark, so we can bring that money back into our house so that we can invest in our notary business. And so again, if you just pull out like things, what are we in? We're in winter, right? We're in winter. So some coats that you can't fit anymore, go ahead. It only takes 5 minutes is to post a picture, list it, and see, if you be in a position for somebody to buy it. I had an old coat that I sold last month that I couldn't fit anymore because my arms, right? The COVID-19 body weight, my arms that got big. And I think I had got the coat years ago, last year for like $15. I sold it on Poshmark for $50. So Poshmark do take out, 20% of the price, anything above $15, but still it's just sitting in your closet. Items are just sitting in your closet. Your notary business money is in your closet, in the basement, in the garage, underneath the bed. And so again, this is how I was able to fund my printer and my scanner. Was selling things around the house. Just think about it. It's holiday season. And so, you might have some holiday decoration. It's just not selling clothes and shoes and coats and things like that. They also sell household items. I have sold a dish on Poshmark. I have sold a pillow on Poshmark. And so you guys, again, the link is in in the description, or get the replay. The replay I think is $19, but I'm telling you, it will help you get started, and so that you don't have to be stressing about coming up with the money. The money is in your home. I'm telling you, the money is literally in your home. And even if you're out and about and you see something for the low cost, for something like for $2, and then you can flip it for $25, that's something that you can do. So I hope this video was helpful to get you started, to remove the stress level of thinking like, hey, I want to get started, but I don't have a printer, I don't have a scanner, I can't do any business now. But hey, your answer is inside your home, and I want to help you. So again, Let me know. Are you going to start selling on Poshmark? There's so many online platforms. You got Poshmark, you got OfferUp, you got Facebook Marketplace, you got eBay, you got McCarty, you got all these platforms that you can sell items to bring that money back in so you can invest in your business, right? Invest in your business. That is your startup capital. So like this video, comment down below, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so the next time I upload a new video, you're the first one to know. I talk to you guys later. Bye.